Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. It's December 5th, and we're going to get started with our chart of the week. As we know, the banking sector has been pretty hot as of late. European banks have started to improve, and we saw something this week that caught our eye with Deutsche Bank, and we're going to go ahead and mark this chart up as we go along here. I went ahead and zoomed out to a weekly chart on Deutsche Bank because it really gives us a clear picture of things. And we can see back in 2015 when this stock topped out around 34.5, 35 bucks, it went on a massive downtrend into the depths of nearly single digits back in September. A lot of talk that Deutsche Bank was in some major financial trouble, was going to need some sort of a bailout perhaps from the ECB or whoever. But we can see here that this stock really kind of made a nice little bowl-shaped pattern here, made its bottom, didn't come back and test that bottom a second time, but it's made a higher high and a higher low, which is really good. And at this point, we like this uptrend to continue, possibly up to the mid to high 20s over the next several months. Now, again, this is a weekly chart. And what I really want to focus on here is that this stock, for the first time since the middle of 2015, has pushed itself over the 50-week moving average, or just basically the 200-day moving average for the stock. So this is an important move here on some pretty decent volume. This is just Monday. We also saw some very good flow in the options trading on Deutsche Bank today. In fact, we saw a slew of January 2018 calls for the 27 strike. Now, the stock is 1666 right now, and to get up to 27 would be a monstrous move for the stock like this. And of course, it didn't take long for the stock to come down from the 30s all the way down to the teens. All the big news was starting to hit the stock. Institutions were starting to sell, and it didn't take much to knock it down. And of course, we know with stocks, it's like when the stock is going up, it's like taking the elevator. When it's going down, it's like taking the window. But in this particular case, we like the Deutsche Bank chart. The momentum indicators are strong. We're not overbought yet. We have some more upside here as the MACD has been positive. Actually, this was a positive divergence here. We got a positive reading on the MACD when the stock was still making lower lows on the price chart. So that's a positive divergence. And we do have the 200-day moving average, or 200-week moving average, at 31 and change over here. There's a lot more room to go on the upside here. In fact, you could even picture here in the circle an inverse head and shoulders, and it just crossed above the neckline today. We like the stock. We added some January 16 calls in the service today, and we do like Deutsche Bank to rise, possibly at least to the 20 level, which we can see here is some resistance from back in March, April, earlier this year. All right. So that's Deutsche Bank. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.